now Saturday, March 21st. We haven't fired this up in a few weeks. We're just double checking. These guys haven't finished doing their winter road work, and at some point they're going to come and pick this up, and we want to make sure that it's working. Well, -6 I think right now, but it's been sitting idle for about 3 weeks. Battery maybe? Okay. Dad was just doing a end of season tour here, and battery died on him, so we had to hike out into the deep snow. Hike out into the deep snow and change out the battery. Damn near ran me over there. He tried backing out, but looks like it's going to be easier for him to drive out, and because it's a little less deep there. But what a schmozzle. We should have known better to take a test run. This is a winter's worth of snow here, so it's running good, but like I said, he changed out the battery because it died on him. Good thing he actually did change it out. Those guys would have probably not realized this. But now looks like he's through the worst here. So I'm gonna follow him back out to the shop. What a shit show. Old dogs are enjoying their yummies. Pecker-headed dogs of mine. Morning dentistry.
Take some scraping to get that shit off. Let me just one look, and then you can go. Okay, no, it's baked on hard. Yeah.